When you search for best carbon steel woks, everything looks the same. Same flat bottoms, same wooden handles, same pre-seasoned claims. But if they're all identical, why do some feel amazing to cook with, while others rust, warp, or stick after one use? The real difference isn't in the photos, it's in the details most brands don't talk about.
Product number 1, Sumeguan 13.5-inch wok. The Sumeguan 13.5-inch carbon steel wok stands out right away with its included glass lid and spatula, rare at this $55 price point. It's pre-seasoned using nitriding technology, which means it resists rust better than traditional woks and is ready to cook out of the box. If you want a complete set that works on induction, gas, or even camping fires without extra gear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6.7-inch flat base gives you solid contact on electric or induction stoves, no wobbling, no hot spots. At 6.4 quarts, it handles big family stir-fries without overcrowding, and the 11-centimeter deep sides keep oil and veggies from flying everywhere. Plus, the solid wood handle stays cool even during high-heat cooking, and it's screwed in with industrial-grade hardware so it won't loosen over time. Over 2,000 people bought this in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs suggest serious thought went into durability. Now, some people might worry about the lack of user feedback. After all, 0 ratings means we don't know long-term performance yet. Here's the thing though, Sumeguan includes a 12-month warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and promises a 12-hour response time for issues. That level of support suggests they stand behind the product, even if real-world data is still building. This is perfect for you if you want a full wok set, lid plus spatula included, that works across multiple heat sources, and you're okay being an early adopter. Skip this one if you need proven long-term reviews before buying. For $55, it's a strong value, especially with that warranty backing it up.
Product number 2, Yosukata Black 13.5-inch wok. The Yosukata Black carbon steel wok at $62.99, a step up in price, but with a focus on authenticity. This wok is pre-seasoned at over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, giving it a natural nonstick base without any PTFE or chemical coatings. If you want that classic wok hay, the smoky restaurant-style flavor, this design helps lock in juices and build flavor layer by layer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's built for high heat performance. The heavy-duty black carbon steel distributes heat evenly, so your garlic doesn't burn while your broccoli is still raw. It works on gas, electric, induction, and even open fire, making it ideal if you grill outdoors or camp often. The ergonomic wooden handle gives a secure grip, and at 0.44 gallons, about 1.7 liters, it's sized for 3 to 5 servings. Over 1,000 sold last month shows real demand, even without visible ratings yet. Now, some buyers might be frustrated that it still needs regular oil seasoning to maintain that nonstick surface. It's not truly set and forget. Here's the thing though, that's how traditional carbon steel works. The more you use it, the better it gets. If you're willing to put in a little maintenance, you'll get decades of use. But if you want something truly maintenance-free, this isn't it. This is perfect for you if you cook Asian cuisine regularly and want authentic flavor without synthetic coatings. Skip this one if you hate the idea of reseasoning or need ultra-lightweight cookware. It's sturdy, not light. At $63, it's a fair price for a toxin-free, multi-surface workhorse.
Product number 3, Yosukata Blue 13.5-inch wok. If the black Yosukata was solid, this blue version takes it up a notch, literally. At $94.99, the Yosukata Blue carbon steel wok is forged from 15-gauge steel, making it noticeably heavier at 4.1 pounds. That weight isn't a flaw, it's intentional. This is built like a professional wok, meant for serious heat and daily use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Thicker steel means better heat retention. Once it's hot, it stays hot, perfect for searing meats or flash frying veggies without temperature drops. The flat bottom works on all stovetops, including induction and open fire, and the included care manual teaches proper seasoning and rust prevention. It's also PTFE-free and non-toxic, so you're cooking clean. With 5.2 quarts of capacity, it handles large batches easily. Now, some people will hate how heavy it is. 4.1 pounds can be tough for older users or those with risk issues. Here's the thing though, that heft is what gives it stability during aggressive tossing. If you're stir-frying like a pro, you want that mass working for you, not against you. But if you prefer lightweight pans, this will feel like a workout. This is perfect for you if you're serious about wok cooking and want a durable, long-term investment. Skip this one if you have mobility concerns or mostly cook small portions. At nearly $95, it's pricey, but if you cook frequently, it could outlast cheaper woks by years.
Product number 4, Tiwi 13-inch wok set. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious cooks. The Tiwi 13-inch carbon steel wok at just $42.99. It comes with a lid, spatula, and dish brush, making it the most complete starter set here. And despite the low price, it uses nitriding tech at 1000 degrees Fahrenheit to create a rust-resistant non-stick surface right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 13 inches wide and 3.9 inches deep, it's compact but still serves 3 to 5 people, great for small families or apartments. The flat bottom works on induction, gas, and electric stoves, and the detachable wooden handle makes storage easy. It heats quickly and evenly, saving time and energy. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's popular with real buyers even without reviews yet. Now, some users might notice the capacity is smaller, just 1.3 liters, so large stir-fries could get cramped. Here's the thing though, for everyday meals, that's plenty, and the included brush and spatula mean you're not buying extras later. Just avoid dry heating, it can ruin the pan fast. This is perfect for you if you're new to wok cooking or want a full set under $50. Skip this one if you regularly cook for 6+ people or need maximum heat retention. For the price, it's an outstanding value. Product number 5, Todlabe 13-inch non-stick wok. The Todlabe 13-inch carbon steel wok at just $29.99, the cheapest on this list, but don't write it off. It's pre-seasoned at over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a natural oil-absorbing surface that becomes more non-stick with use. Plus, it includes a glass lid and features a dual handle design, a main wooden handle, and a helper ring on the side for balanced lifting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide flat base ensures stability on any stove, and the heat-resistant lid lets you steam or braise without losing moisture. It heats 30% faster than cast iron, so you spend less time waiting and more time cooking. The physical non-stick layer needs minimal oil, making meals healthier and clean up easier. No PFOA, no PFAS, just pure carbon steel. Now, some people might worry about durability at this price. Can it really last? Here's the thing though, carbon steel is naturally tough, and with proper care, hand wash, dry, oil, this can last years. The max temp of 1000 degrees Fahrenheit means it handles high heat cooking safely. But don't put it in the dishwasher, that'll kill the seasoning fast. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, healthy wok that works on induction or gas. Skip this one if you need a large capacity or plan to deep fry often. It's best for everyday stir fries. At $30, it's practically a steal. So which carbon steel wok should you buy? If you want the best value with a full set, go with Tiwi. For authentic flavor and outdoor use, Yosukata's Black Wok delivers. Want pro-level durability? The blue Yosukata is built to last. Need something budget-friendly but reliable? Todlabe wins under $30. And if you want strong warranty support and included accessories, Sumeguan is a smart pick. All 5 are solid, just match the right one to your cooking style.